Welcome! If you want to customize volume styles panel into your Honor 8, firstly go into Play Store and find volume styles application. This one. So click install, wait for installing, and then click open. And now we need to choose some volume styles, for example Android 12, this one. And on the top we got start button, so press it. And then need to give permissions for this application, so give accessibility here and one more time in your settings. Choose your application volume style, click turn on, confirm OK. And now click yes, I agree. And now we got a new volume styles from Android 12. So easy, right? Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.